Ever seen this incredible material? What looks like silicone is actually an aluminum honeycomb structure, featuring a design that mimics a beehive's intricate patterns. This remarkable material is a breakthrough in engineering, combining remarkable lightness with exceptional strength. Its unique properties have made it invaluable in aerospace, automotive, and construction industries. Two primary types exist: an expandable variant offering a lightweight, robust framework, and a foldable design perfect for compact applications.